Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your cabin air filter in your Pontiac Vibe or Toyota Matrix. Now it's pretty simple, easy to do, and it is very commonly looked over as part of basic maintenance, and it can affect your heating and air system quite a bit depending on how much debris and stuff built up in the filter. Now, before we get started, the filter I'm going with is this K&N. Now the reason I'm going with K&N is because they've been around forever basically. Always been good filters, good airflow. No, I'm not sponsored. But the biggest thing for me is that they are washable and reusable. You can't use the same filter oil that you would use on your air filter for the engine. They sell separate filter oil for these cabin air filters, but that's alright. Still washable, reusable, still high flow, so can't go wrong there. So let's get to it. Now first of all, you're going to remove anything in your glove box. Now get this little Phillips head screw right here, and we're just going to remove it. Now we're going to take a hand on both sides of this and push inwards so that it comes out, and it will remove itself basically. Now typically there should be a door here. This one's gone. Now the door you would just grab up here, pull down, and it'll open up, but it looks like it's been broke off there. So we will just attempt to remove this one. This one is a little stubborn. And still fairly dirty. Now, slide it up in there. It's kind of odd not having the door to put back now. Alright. Now, you'll leave the little tabs here. Put them back in place where they go. Make sure this dampener is accessible. Push those back in where they go. Tighten the screw back down. And there you have it. Alright, now there it is. Cabin air filter is changed in our Vibe. It's pretty simple, easy to do. There's no real reason not to do it. Just overlooked, forgotten. And obviously that one, well, is overdue for a change anyway. But there it is. Hope this information proved helpful to you. As always, thanks for watching.